In this video, I will show you how to change layout in Bitget app. So first of all, open up your Bitget app, and if you aren't started yet on Bitget, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. Anyway, let's dive into this video right now. So let's start off with clicking on the profile icon at the top left from our home tab. And from here, we're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. And in here, we can see various settings to change the layout in our Bitget. So first of all, you can change the theme to dark or light. But if you want to change the real layout of your app, then you can click on quote color in here. And there you can select green up and red down, or red up and green down. So these are right now the ways to change the layout in Bitget app. There are currently no other ways to change the layout, but it depends on what you mean with layout. So this is the only visual change that you can make outside of changing the theme. You can also change the currency and the language, and you can change the basis to a different time zone. So that is what you can do right now to change the layout. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.